How to add project sequence settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one. Once inside the project, go to the edit page where you can manage your timeline and sequence settings. Next, look at the bottom right corner and you will see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the timeline settings window. This is where you can adjust the sequence settings for your project. In the timeline settings window, you will find options to set the timeline resolution, frame rate, and other important settings such as playback frame rate and video monitoring settings. Choose the resolution that matches your footage or desired output, for example 1920 x 1080 for Full HD or 3840 x 2160 for 4K. After setting the resolution, make sure to set the timeline frame rate correctly. This frame rate should match the frame rate of your bin footage to avoid any playback or export issues. If you want to add a new sequence with different settings, you can create a new timeline from the File menu by selecting New Timeline. In the Creation window, uncheck the option to use the project settings and manually set the resolution and frame rate for this new sequence. Finally, after setting your sequence settings, click Create to apply the changes, and your timeline will update accordingly. Additionally, you can save these custom settings as presets if you often work with specific sequence formats. This helps speed up your workflow for future projects. And that's it. Now you know how to add project sequence settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.